Okay, we got the potatoes, the potatoes and the green and yellow peppers in there. And we've got to add the rest of our ingredients, the eggs and the onions and the garlic. And let's not forget our Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey sausage crumbles. And remember, if you want to give this meal a little Mexican style flavor, you can just add some cilantro and Rotel dip, maybe Rotel, the 1 can of Rotel, or you can add some avocados on the side. Just be creative. Just added the onions and the garlic and the sausage. Toss well. Next, add your eggs. Toss well. And the last thing we're going to do is going to put some cheese in it, and on top, we're going to put it in the oven for just about 15 minutes till it's brown. Okay, so I added mild cheddar cheese and a Mexican blend to the top of this breakfast casserole. I'm going to put it in the oven till it's brown, and we'll see the results in a few minutes. Okay, and here we have our finished product, our breakfast sausage casserole. Doesn't it look delicious? And you can serve it on the side with some guacamole salsa, avocados, and my homemade Miss Ella's hot salsa. You can find this hot salsa recipe on my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Just search through the recipes for this recipe, and you will find it and other great recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Just remember to always like, subscribe, and share. And remember to always share and be happy. Bon appetit!